Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the minimal essentials and then writing something that works right away. Install Python 3.11 or later and verify with Python version. Make sure path is set. Choose an editor like VS Code or PyCharm. Enable linting and auto format so feedback is immediate. Once done, create hello. Py, add print, hello, world, and run Python hello. Py to confirm everything runs. This proves your runtime is working and lowers friction for the next steps. You now structure your workspace and manage dependencies so growth is safe. Create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it. This isolates packages per project. Install libraries with pip, then freeze versions into requirements. TXT so builds are reproducible. Organize code under src/, write tests in tests/ and add readme, md plus a sensible. Git ignore. Once these pieces are in place, run a simple test, suite, and iterate. Clear structure. You finish by making your work shareable and resilient. Initialize Git, commit your clean state, and push to a remote. Add a CI job that runs tests on each push so regressions are caught early. Prepare packaging metadata with pip reject, toml, or setup. CFG if you plan to distribute code. Make sure to tag releases and document usage. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: verify the active virtual environment, confirm the Python version, and run piplist to find mismatched dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.